Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make your eyebrows look from this to this using at-home ingredients. Now you can adjust the color of the brow gel according to your needs. Because I have dark brown eyebrows, I'll be showing you guys how to get this color. The ingredients used in this DIY are completely safe and also help promote fuller eyebrows. Now for this video, I'll have no makeup on except the DIY brow gel so you guys can see how effective the DIY brow gel is. But before I show you the DIY, I would greatly appreciate it if you can subscribe to my channel and like and comment under this video. This helps me keep my motivation on point, and it also helps me make more content for you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. The first ingredient we need for this DIY is aloe vera gel. This is basically the base of the brow gel. It also has unlimited amount of benefits for your brows, such as enzymes and moisturizing properties, which make your eyebrows grow faster and thicker and also keeps the hair follicles soft. You can extract the gel from an aloe vera leaf like I'm doing it here, or you can also buy an aloe vera gel bottle from a store. Just make sure it's 99% pure. I would suggest the Amara Organics cold pressed aloe vera gel because it's one of the best sellers on Amazon. I have it linked below in the description box in case you're interested. Now I'm only taking enough aloe vera gel for the purpose of this video. You can take more if you would like to store it for future use. But make sure to put it in the fridge and use within 20 to 25 days. You can also keep it in the room, but you have to use it within 10 to 15 days. The next ingredient is coffee grounds. Coffee grounds can actually make an effective brow tint that gives your brow a natural and defined look. Be sure to use coffee grounds which have caffeine in it. This will promise a richer color, and the caffeine stimulates hair growth, so it's helpful if you have patchy or sparse brows. The third ingredient is cocoa powder. Adding the cocoa powder helps lighten the color that you get from the coffee grounds. If you want to make the dye lighter, add more cocoa powder. But if you want to make the dye darker, add less cocoa powder. For me, I'm just going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cocoa powder because your girl has the darkest brows of them all. Now the last and optional ingredient is burnt almond residue. Okay, don't freak out, it's completely safe. Just be extra careful when you do this step. You can burn the almond with a lighter. It would take at least 3 to 5 minutes to burn the entire almond. I'm just burning the ends and then just scraping out the residue and adding it to the bowl. Doing this step will give my DIY brow gel a darker tint. This would also be perfect for women of color. So now that all the ingredients are in a bowl, go ahead and give it a good mix. Like I said, I've made enough for this video, but if you would like to store the gel, just put it in a small clean plastic or glass container. You can also adjust the color of the brow gel if you are light. Just don't add the coffee or the almond residue if you are light brown. Or add only coffee and cocoa powder but ignore the almond residue for that mid-brown color. You can also add a few drops of beetroot if you have red hair. Okay, so now the DIY brow gel is ready, and I'm swatching a bit here to show you guys the color. It may take at least a minute for the brow gel to dry up. So now that it's all dried up, you guys can see how natural the color looks. It's also smudge proof. Sadly, it's not waterproof, but it can only be waterproof if we add chemicals in it, which contradicts the entire DIY. So now the fun begins. Let's test this gel out and show you guys the magic. For this, I'm using a Sigma small angle E65 brush and a spoolie. You can use any brush that you're comfortable with. I'm applying it the same way we apply a normal brow gel. With this DIY, less is more. Don't apply too much, just enough to fill in the patchy areas. And make sure to brush through your brow hairs every now and then. This DIY brow gel also makes sure that your hair stays in place along with the tint, so it's a double win. So here's the end result, you guys. I hope you like this, what I've done. I think it's pretty cool. It looks pretty natural, and it takes only like 5 minutes to make. With this, I'm ending the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the like button. And if you have any comments about this, or if you want to try it, or you've already tried this, make sure to comment down below and let me know what do you guys think as well. And if you have any recommendations for the next video, please make sure to comment down below about it as well. Take care and see you guys next time.